morning! Welcome back to my channel. Hi, Oni.
Hello, good morning.
Today we have Esther Oni joining me. Welcome to my vlog, Oni.
Welcome. Thanks for having me.
Good morning. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. This is your favorite nurse on the run. Back with the new videos, and today guess where I am? Such a lovely weather. So here it is. Look at this view. Amazing. Sometimes you just need to walk, you don't need to run. This is my recovery. We start running from next week. So today, just at the boardwalk, walking. I know, hey. So we walked all the way up here. This is like we did 5K of walking. This is what my Monday looks like. And today is all about eat, rest, and walk. That's how my Monday looks like. Such a nice weather. After the walk, we change this close to the water. Right. Good vibes only. My God! Haven't been in a beach this whole year, and it's a perfect weather to be here. So happy. Just gonna rest and relax. Sometimes all you need is little quietness too. A beach day, no stress at all, just laying down, listening to the waves, zoning out, and the smell of the sand. That's the kind of a peace I was looking for. We all need once in a while this kind of peace.
Without a greeting on the day you left. That emptiness.
Why this kind of song makes you feel so relaxed?
It's the orchestra.
나는 I think 슬퍼 노래 좋은 것 같아.
I think it's not that it's silpa. It's made from someone's experience. So you kind of relate when you hear the music, even if you don't know the words.
Yeah. You just feel the like the music, you know,
Yeah.
you feel it.
That's why music is an international. It's an international language. No matter what world, what country you're from, what language you speak, music it
Connects.
connects everybody. 그래서 뮤직가 되게 중요하다는 거야.
Hey, good boy. That looks amazing. Goodbye. 괜찮네. So the stop is Long Island.
Railroad. This is going to be Long Beach.
Long Beach. It's right here. Goodbye.
Last stop.
Really? Sky is beautiful today.
Don't give up your dreams. You see, you're gonna go through a lot of suffering, pain, and suffering, and obstacles in life. But it all has meaning.
Oh.
But don't ever lose focus on your goal.
진짜
Don't give up.
진짜 좋은 그거다.
Very good. I love
Yeah.
it. So simple.
Oh my. Buy 2 and get 1 free. Hyundai restaurant. We are back to Flushing. Looks so quiet here. Flushing is so quiet. Love Flushing. 밥 먹으러 가자.
Or something like that. The food was actually, they had
Oh, that fish looks good. 김치찌개. 아, 언니 다 잘 먹었어.
It's like empty.
It's empty. We're so hungry. 잘 먹었습니다. Right with 90-minute foot massage. A little reminder that no matter how chaotic life gets, you gotta take time and refill your bucket. Rest, recharge, then get back at it. Self-care isn't a luxury, it's essential. Thank you for watching.